Hello and welcome to Caching Waves. Just wanted to give you guys an update on Bitcoin. I will be going down to the micro 15-minute level. If you haven't looked at my larger view counts, this is them in a nutshell. I'm not going to look over them right now. I'll leave a link at the end of this video. You can look at my larger term counts. I'm focused down on the hourly and the 15-minute just to figure out what's going on in this area for the trading week up ahead. Now, first of all, we're trying to complete our correction down here as a potential WXY or ABC. Only difference is we'll get 3 waves rather than 5 waves if it's a WXY. And for that, we're looking for targets down near 21,504 on linear and 22,268 on log scale. Let's zoom in closer to the 15-minute. So we'll stick to the hourly for a second. So there's a couple different things that can happen in this area. One is that this is all the X wave. And we come directly down to the 1-to-1 at 22,268 in either a 3 wave or a 5 wave. And the other option is we are still currently working on this X or B wave. And we come down here in an ABC, hit at least the 618 extension to keep that play valid. We then move back up to the 618 of this wave, which we have not hit yet. We've just hit above the 50. And then we come down, in which case these targets would be slightly adjusted. So this is what we're paying attention to over the next couple of days to see what's most likely going to happen. Well, let's zoom in closer on the 15-minute. So we have our 3 wave here. And we also have what appears to be 5 waves down. As you know, the only way this can really be considered complete is if this was a truncation and this did not make a new low. So in that case, probabilities are pretty low on that happening. So I expect either this is still an A, B, C, then to open our short to the downside. So that's one I'm waiting for. I'm not in this trade as of yet. As you can see, we haven't even hit the 382 of this wave here. Trying to get at least 382 to the 50 on this. Just very improbable retracement of the 236 there. Doesn't mean not possible, but not probable. So indications of this ABC wave coming into play is we'd want to take a trend line here, run it down, like so, right on the pivot. We want to see a break to the upside like this. And what I would do is take my long from here. This is just how I would trade it. Take my long from above this area here. Stop would go at the low. And we're going to target the 1-to-1. It's about 1.5 to 1. Or you can target a little higher. That's the 50 there. Get a little better risk reward on that. So I'd wait for this, enter there. That's how I would play that one. If we don't get that, I would expect the other situation happening where we're going to go higher after. And that would be that this is an A wave. An A wave. Come down for a B wave to at least the 618 here. and then we'd look for a C wave in either a running flat or expanded flat. And probabilities decrease if we pass the 1.382. That measurement is this wave here, or the retracement tool, and you just put the 105, 1.236, and 382 on it. That's the standard measurements that a expanded B would come into in a flat. And we'd also want to hit at least the 618 extension of this wave. Right now I have it just targeted at the potential pivot here, but that would adjust if we come a little bit higher. That would still be in play. So that's what I'm looking for, guys. And if we do come down from here, again, I'd be targeting down here at the 1-to-1, considering this wave playing out, but I'd be aware of the scenario where we come down and then just take off. And an early indication, again, this isn't rules, it's just more of a guideline. You can run a trend line down here, pay attention to see if we break above it pretty hard or anything like that, rather than just drift sideways and continue to the downside. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. Currently looking to scalp this long. If we stay above the 15 to 618 here, which I've highlighted, scalp long, and then I'll be looking for a short afterwards from up in this area down to the 1-to-1. Down here. So those are the potential paths I'm watching this week. Make sure to subscribe for updates. I will be updating this on the daily. And leave any questions or comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, guys.